Hey everyone, Chris Adams here with the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group and wanted to talk to you quickly about the 6 top trends we're seeing home buyers wanting in the properties that they're purchasing. So first up we have is kitchens. The biggest thing that we're seeing is a lot of people like to have that kitchen island or some sort of peninsula where they can kind of do the eat-in option. That's right there. So number 2, we're seeing home offices are becoming very important. So very good to have one of these set up in your property. Number 3, outdoor entertaining areas. That's here. So really great if you have a deck or a patio. If you have both of those, even better. We're starting to see a lot of buyers that are really finding that to be an integral portion of what they're looking for in the next home that they're going to purchase. Fourth one that we have here, just open concept living. We're seeing a lot of people like to be entertaining. And when they do that, they'd like to have the kitchen right next to the dining room and the living room so they can talk to their guests while they're entertaining. The fifth one that we have here is just updated bathrooms. Everybody loves an updated bathroom, especially when it's in the master that's there. So, and number 6 is a laundry room. So people are really finding it important to have a nice laundry room, kind of just a separate area where they can store their laundry, stuff like that. So if you're thinking about doing any of these updates to your home and you're wondering if number 1, we have some contractors that can help out, we certainly do. And number 2, if this is going to add value to your home, we'd be happy to chat with you about that as well. So hope you're having a great day, and feel free to reach out to us. As always, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like us to reach out to you. So thank you.